Mercer, and Geneva on the Lake to Connie off. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 123, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh, fucking Tornado Watch.
This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer, and Geneva on the Lake to Connie off. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 123 has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer, and Geneva on the Lake to Connie off. The current time is 3:46.